Skadu. A land of towering peaks, turquoise lakes, ancient forts, and endless silence that speaks to the soul. Tucked deep within Pakistan's Gilgit-Baltistan region, Skadu is a remote paradise offering adventure, serenity, and pure natural beauty. Let's explore the most captivating places, thrilling adventures, cultural gems, and must-know travel tips for your journey to Skadu. Shangri-La Resort and Lower Kachura Lake, commonly called the Heaven on Earth, the Shangri-La Resort lies beside Lower Kachura Lake, surrounded by lush gardens and snow-capped mountains. The highlight is the heart-shaped lake and the iconic airplane restaurant built from a crashed aircraft. A walk through the pine-covered paths or a peaceful boat ride creates unforgettable moments. Upper Kachura Lake, just a short hike from the resort, Upper Kachura Lake is more rugged and untouched. Its crystal-clear water mirrors the surrounding peaks. It's less crowded, perfect for couples or photographers. Swimming is allowed, though it's icy cold, even in summer. Satpara Lake, a short drive from Skadu city, takes you to Satpara Lake, a scenic reservoir fed by glacial melt. You can enjoy boating on its calm waters while the mighty Deosai Plateau looms in the background. Early mornings here are particularly magical. Deosai National Park, the roof of the world. Deosai is the second highest plateau on Earth. A flat, flower-carpeted wilderness with rolling hills and wide blue skies. It's home to the endangered Himalayan brown bear and rare birds. Whether you come for trekking, wildlife spotting, or just the dreamlike atmosphere, Deosai is a must-visit. Shigar Fort, a blend of history and luxury. Shigar Fort is a restored 17th-century fortress turned heritage hotel. Stroll through its peaceful courtyards, admire the wood-carved architecture, and understand the cultural blend of Tibetan and Balti influences that shaped this region. Cold desert of Skadu, white sand surrounded by snow-covered peaks. This is Skadu's surreal cold desert. It's one of the highest deserts in the world. You can experience thrilling jeep rides, camel safaris, or simply admire the stunning contrast of sand and snow. Manthoka Waterfall, located in the Kharmang Valley, Manthoka Waterfall is an artificial yet stunning sight. It plunges from the rocky cliffs into green meadows and is surrounded by mountains. Great for a picnic and perfect for a photo shoot. Khaplu Palace and Valley. Khaplu is often called Little Tibet. Its royal palace is an architectural wonder made of wood and stone, offering views of narrow valleys and the Shyok River. The village around the palace is incredibly peaceful, ideal for cultural immersion. Kharpocho Fort. This ancient fort overlooks Skadu city and offers panoramic views of the Indus River and surrounding mountains. A short but steep hike takes you to the top. It's a great spot during sunrise or sunset. Adventures in Skadu. For thrill seekers, Skadu is a playground. Try rock climbing, whitewater rafting in the Indus, paragliding over the valleys, or trekking to the base camp of mighty peaks like K2, Masherbrum, or Snow Lake. Treks like the Baltoro Glacier and Concordia are globally renowned among serious hikers. Cultural experiences. Visit local Balti homes and taste traditional food like mamtu, thukpa, and belai. Attend folk music sessions or local festivals if the timing aligns. The Balti people are warm, humble, and proud of their heritage, always welcoming to curious travelers. Weather and best time to visit. The best time to visit Skadu is from May to October. Spring and summer bring flowers and accessible roads, while autumn offers golden foliage and crystal-clear skies. Winters are extreme and mostly for seasoned adventurers. Travel tips. The journey to Skadu by air is scenic but subject to weather delays. There's also a land route via Karakoram Highway and Skadu Road. Local SIM cards work better than roaming services. Pack warm clothes, even in summer, the nights are chilly. Respect local customs and dress modestly. Hiring a local guide or driver enhances the experience. Skadu is a raw, unpolished diamond. A place where nature still leads the rhythm of life, where silence heals, and where adventure is always just a step away. If you're finding this video useful, take a second to like it and subscribe to the channel. We bring you travel stories, hidden destinations, and unforgettable experiences from across South Asia every week. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing these incredible places with you. Here's a complete 7-day Skadu itinerary to help you plan your journey. Day 1. Arrival in Skadu. Arrive via flight or road. Visit Kharpocho Fort and explore the Indus Riverside. Overnight in Skadu city. Day 2. Lower and Upper Kachura Lakes. Visit Shangri-La Resort, Lower and Upper Kachura Lakes. Optional boat rides. Return to Skadu for overnight stay. Day 3. Shigar Valley. Drive to Shigar Fort and Amburik Mosque. Explore Shigar village. Stay in Shigar or return to Skadu. Day 4. Cold Desert and Manthoka Waterfall. Visit Sarfaranga Cold Desert and Manthoka Waterfall. Return to Skadu by evening. Day 5. Deosai National Park. Full-day excursion to Deosai via Sadpara Lake. Explore Shivsar Lake, wildlife, and meadows. Overnight in Skadu. Day 6. Khaplu Valley. Day trip to Khaplu Palace, Chakcha Mosque. Return or stay in Khaplu. Day 7. Departure. Local shopping, breakfast, and return by flight or road. Quick facts about Skadu. Altitude about 2,230 meters, 7,320 feet. Main language Balti. Closest airport Skadu Airport, known for mountains, lakes, cultural heritage, and adventure trekking. Skadu isn't just a destination. It's a feeling of standing before mighty mountains, walking beside still lakes, and realizing how vast and beautiful this world really is. For couples, adventurers, photographers, or seekers of peace, Skadu leaves a mark that lasts far beyond the journey. For more detailed travel guides, local stories, and inspiring itineraries, stay connected to our channel. Your next adventure is just a video away.